Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening FaceTime and tapping your name or profile icon at the top left. This immediately reveals editable profile settings. You do this because FaceTime links display name, photo, and contact details to your Apple ID, and changing them here updates what others see. Once you're on the profile screen, make sure iCloud Contacts is enabled so changes sync. Now tap Edit beside your name or photo to begin the actual update process, and choose the element you want to change. You now edit the name and photo. Tap Edit on the profile screen to change first and last name fields and to replace the photo. When you pick a photo, you can choose from photos, take a new one, or use some emoji, crop and position so the face is centered, then tap Done to commit. This matters because the selected image and name are what callers see, so make sure it's clear and professional. Once done, changes save to your Apple ID and sync via iCloud if enabled. You finish by tapping Done to save, and then return to FaceTime to verify how your profile appears to others. Make a test call or ask a contact to confirm. If the new photo or name doesn't show, check that you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that iCloud Contacts is active, since syncing issues often block updates. If problems persist, force quit FaceTime or sign out and sign back in. That refresh forces propagation and usually resolves stale display data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.